Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to apply for Bluehost affiliate program. What you need to do, first just go to Bluehost site and then just scroll down until you see here affiliates. Just click here. As you can see here, refer visitors to Bluehost and earn 65 for each qualified sign up. That means for every person, if they sign up, you will earn 65 for each one. Just click here, sign up, and then here you fill out the information. Account username, just you can use any name, and here the password, confirm the password, here your name, last name, phone number, your address here, and here primary URL. If you don't have a website, just you can use your YouTube channel or Facebook page. Just you can type it here. And for the payment here, just PayPal email address, and then just click here, I agree. After that, click here, sign up. And then you need to wait a few days because they will review your application, and then you will receive email if you are accepted or in case rejected. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.